Hello to all my followers at RC Monster Garage MotoStyle shop in Granada Hills. We have something really cool to show you today. You're probably wondering why I have a tire here. This is not a regular tire, this is a unique tire. Let me show and explain what it is. Don't forget like and subscribe. This is part 1 of this tires, what it does, and part 2 we actually see what it's going to do. So, I know everybody know all the tires that you can buy anywhere else, and they're usually going to be soft tires, different compound for racing, so you can corner a little bit better. This is absolutely not that. This tire doing something else. This tire designed for a show off. This tire designed for a closed circuit, when you go to any show or event to do smoke. This is literally a smoke tire. It's the Shinko Advanced 005 tires, and this is the smoke bomb. This is the red smoke bomb tires. It's very cool tire. Now this one is a standard size, kind of. It's a 180 55/17, will fit almost on any motorcycle. If you have a GS6R or a Yamaha or any Kawasaki, any bike that fit a 17 inch rim, this will work on it. And what it does, when you get to a certain temperature while you're doing a burnout, it will start smoking in red. Now this is a red smoke, so it's gonna smoke in red. They also have purple, they have blue, and they have white. So if you have a couple guys doing it together, you can have a nice trail of smoke. And if to compare it to something else, like when you look at aircraft, in aircraft show, when you have like the military coming with the Blue Angels, they will have like smoke in different colors, and this will do the same thing just on the ground. So again, this is Shinko tire. It's the Advanced and the 005 tire, and this is a radial tire, DOT approved. This is street legal tire. Now you can show off to your friends, or if you're just learning how to do stunts, this can be a great beginner tire for you, to just start with a simple, very forgiving stunt that it will be just to do smoke. You cannot really cause a lot of damage to yourself trying to do that. It's not like trying to pop a wheelie and you're gonna look the coolest guy because you're gonna have the coolest tire that will make the red smoke. That being said, if you ever do any stunts, full gear. I see a lot of people going to do stunts with no gear on them. If you do any stunts or going to any event and you're going to perform, please wear your gear. It's very important. It's enough that you get hit one time and you're done. You're not going to do any more stunts or anything like that. Now, those available in our shop right now, those tires running around 170 to 200, depend which compound, depend what color, depend where you buy it. I'm gonna put one of those on one of my Ducati bike. I have a nice red Ducati. We're gonna put it on the red Ducati and go and do some smoke. Don't forget, like and subscribe, and look for Smoke Bomb Part 2. This is again Eric RC Monster Garage channel, MotoStyle shop in Granada Hills. Contact me if you have any comments. Write it below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget the most important thing in the world, we're giving tons of free stuff right now. Upcoming holiday, we're gonna give one of those tires. We have a set of gloves from one brand, another set from another. We have a motorcycle gas tank bag that we're gonna give. I got tons of gifts from sponsor to give you guys for free. All you need to do, like, subscribe, share, and write a comment. You have to write a comment so I can see that you wrote something and I can address you and give you something for free. This is Eric, MotoStyle, RC Monster Garage. See you on my next video. This was a cool video for these tires. I really like it. Wait until you see how much smoke I can do with it. See you. Bye-bye.